Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Thursday, April 30th. Seeing some cloudy skies out there and breezy conditions. We are going to see those winds continue to ramp up from the southeast as we go throughout the morning hours and into the afternoon. Seeing gusts around 35 knots once we get towards the afternoon hours. We're also going to be seeing dry conditions throughout the morning, but then once we get into the afternoon, we will be seeing that heavy rain that we have been anticipating all week. So taking a look at our surface analysis, there's this low currently over the Great Lakes region with the associated front currently across central Virginia. It has slowed up in the past several hours as this upper level trough gets a big bit of a negative tilt to it. So it is going to be still a few more hours before this front makes its way to the Delmarva region, and looks like after about 2 p.m. we'll start to see some showers out ahead of it, and then after 4 p.m. is when we're going to start seeing that heavy rain, and that heavy rain will persist through about midnight tonight, and then also seeing a chance of a rumble of thunder as well. Looks like thunderstorm chances are most likely for areas south of the Wallops region. Take a quick look at our satellite here. Abundant cloud cover across the region. We are seeing a couple of brief peaks of sunshine across the Delmarva this morning, but we'll continue to see clouds increase over the next couple of hours as this front approaches. As of 8 a.m., seeing a few clouds at 4,500 feet, overcast at 6,500. Winds were from azimuth 160, around 14 knots, gusting to 21 knots. Very mild temperature out there of 61 degrees. Take a quick look before we go over our forecast at our short range model to show you how these showers and storms are going to progress across the region. This is noon, and like I said, you're going to see this front continue to be slow as it approaches our region, but it will be intensifying as it slows as well. You see those brighter forecasted radar returns starting at about 2 p.m., and that's when we're going to start seeing showers pop up across the region. And then this main front will be impacting us starting at around 4 or 5 p.m., with the heaviest rain expected around 6 to 10 p.m. And we will see that rain continue through about midnight before it starts to make its way eastward. Let's take a quick look at a European 12-hour precipitation here. This runs from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 2 a.m. tonight. You see there is this heavy band of rain here with upwards of 3 inches across more western portions of the Delmarva, but this band could set up somewhere else across not exactly in this position, but just to show you that we are expecting anywhere between 1.5 inches of rain to upwards of 3 inches of rain across the area. So for today, going to be looking at a high of 67 with cloudy skies. Seeing those southeasterly winds ramp up this afternoon, 18 to 23 knots and gusty with gusts up to 35 knots at times. Seeing that very heavy rainfall mainly after 4 p.m. and persisting through midnight. We'll see those winds then shift southerly late tonight, then southwesterly by the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow as they begin the weekend. And then tomorrow morning, only seeing southwesterly winds around 6 to 11 knots with a low of 55 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see similar cloud cover to what we're seeing right now, scattered at 4,000 feet, broken at 6,000, broken at 15,000, overcast at 22,000, and then towards this afternoon, going to see it become overcast at around 4,000 feet when we get into any showers and storms. Later this evening, it does look like we'll see those ceilings drop to around 500 feet or so as we get that heavy rain, and then even after the front moves in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow morning, we could still potentially see ceilings as low as 500 feet. We are seeing tides 1/2 foot above normal across the Delmarva Atlantic coast. For tomorrow, we're going to be looking at some partly sunny skies. The upper level low associated with the front we're expecting this evening is going to be moving directly over the Delmarva, and that's going to help to steepen the lapse rates across the region, and also going to see a little bit of instability with some sunshine, so that is going to allow showers to pop up across the area, maybe even a slight chance of an isolated thunderstorm, expecting a high of 66. Friday night, going to be mostly cloudy early, then becoming partly cloudy late, maybe a little bit breezy as that low finally moves out of the area, briefly tightening up that pressure gradient late Friday night. Expect a low of 53. And then Saturday looks absolutely beautiful under partly cloudy skies with a high of 70. That'll do it for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.